Hey everyone, welcome back to the SA Ease with Tech, where we bring you the most powerful tools that save you time, money, and frustration in the shop. If you're a mechanic, auto repair shop owner, or even a serious DIY car enthusiast, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's be honest, diagnosing cars isn't what it used to be. Newer vehicles come packed with ECUs, TPMS sensors, CA and FD systems, and complex coding. If you're still using outdated scanners, you already know the struggle. Wasted hours trying to track down issues. Lost revenue because you can't complete advanced jobs. Customers walking out when you can't reset or reprogram their vehicle. And that's where the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 PRO-TS changes everything. This isn't just another OBD2 scanner. It's a professional-grade bidirectional diagnostic tool built for today's and tomorrow's vehicles. Full TPMS services, activate, relearn, and program sensors with zero hassle. No more sending customers elsewhere for TPMS fixes. ECU coding and adaptations. Customize, reprogram, and unlock hidden features manufacturers restrict. Bidirectional control. Want to test a component before replacing it? Command it directly from the scanner and see the result instantly. 3,000 plus tests and 36 plus reset functions. Oil reset, brake bleeding, battery registration, injector coding, all covered. CAN, FD, and DoIP protocols. You're future-proofed for the latest 2025 and upcoming models. VAG support, perfect for VW, Audi, and other European cars. And yes, it's fast. Powered by advanced hardware, the MS906 PRO-TS cuts through diagnostics like never before. Think about it. How many times have you wasted money replacing parts, only to find out the real issue was something else? With this tool, you can perform accurate diagnostics in minutes, keep your shop running smoothly, and keep customers coming back because you can solve their problems the first time. And let's not forget, Autel is one of the most trusted names in automotive diagnostics worldwide. Professionals, dealerships, and workshops rely on Autel because their tools don't just get the job done. They set the standard in accuracy, reliability, and long-term updates. So when you invest in the MS906 PRO-TS, you're not just buying a scanner, you're partnering with a brand that's leading the future of vehicle diagnostics. Picture this, a customer drives in with a TPMS light on. Instead of wasting 30 minutes guessing, you fix it in 5 with the built-in TPMS functions. Another car needs ECU coding for new injectors, done in minutes. Or maybe you need to test a faulty cooling fan. Command it on directly and know instantly if it's the fan or the wiring. This is real-time saved, money earned, and customers retained. So if you're ready to take your shop to the next level and never be left behind with modern vehicles, the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 PRO-TS is the tool you need in your arsenal. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out the latest price and grab yours today. Trust me, this investment will pay for itself faster than you think.